name is Dr. Ben Thompson. I'm an audiologist with Pure Tinnitus. I'm the founder. I'm making this video as part of our monthly newsletter for June 2021. And before I get into the new updates about Pure Tinnitus and the new updates about what's happening in the world of tinnitus, I want to say thank you for being a part of this community, for subscribing to this YouTube channel, and for consistently watching these videos. I hope they're meaningful and helpful for you because I have a lot of joy and passion in creating them. Quick roundup, quick schedule, what you can expect here on the YouTube channel. The first Sunday of every month, we have this video newsletter, giving you an overall update of what's happening in the world of tinnitus. The second Sunday of every month, we have a podcast interview episode where I'm interviewing another professional in the world of tinnitus, and that is worth checking out. Of course, also we have educational YouTube videos with Pure Tinnitus, and those are released every Tuesday. If you're in the United States, that will be released every Tuesday morning. The first update here is for anyone who may have developed tinnitus as a result of the COVID-19 vaccine. I see you, I hear you, your experience is real and probably scary. I've worked with some of you via telehealth. This can be hard, and tinnitus can come up suddenly. It can be very scary. For those who have a sudden onset increase in their tinnitus, it's not easy. However, there's many resources. Check out our videos here to give you a good head start. Reach out to us, leave a comment if you need any help or have any questions. I wanted to address that there is a Facebook group of over 2,000 individuals who have developed hearing loss or tinnitus as a result of the COVID-19 vaccine. There's multiple vaccines. Sometimes people get them on different doses. There's a lot of variability, and a theory that's being tossed around is that this is a neuroinflammatory response of tinnitus in the brain, affecting the auditory centers as well. That's likely, that is possible. That means treating tinnitus, follow tinnitus retraining therapy, follow the protocols that we have in place. Also consider what we can do to reduce that neuroinflammatory response. Talking to your ENT doctor about this is a great decision. Considering talking to an immunologist or another doctor who works with the immune system as well is of your interest. I have a patient of mine who I've been working with for about 2 months now, and over the last 2 months, they've taken everything I've said very seriously, and they've followed tinnitus retraining therapy plus the mindfulness meditation that we have on this YouTube channel. And I typically don't release the full testimonies or the full interviews for podcasts with patients until it's been 6 months after their onset of bothersome tinnitus. But for this case with the COVID-19 vaccine side effects, the recovery might be quicker. And this patient who I've been working with, they were in tears sharing their story that within 2 months they've dramatically improved. Hearing periods of silence, the volume has changed dramatically. I won't go into the full story, but they just gave me permission to share this for those who have developed tinnitus as a result of the COVID-19 vaccine, that they were able to recover given their specific history. It might not be yours, so don't expect this, but I just wanted to make that clear. I don't like to post success stories until it's been 6 months after the onset of bothersome tinnitus, but I felt like this was worth explaining that due to COVID-19 vaccine, sometimes the recovery can take less than 3 months. Second update here on the newsletter is an exciting relationship with the company Neosensory. Pure Tinnitus is being contracted by Neosensory to provide tinnitus therapy consultations to go along with their wristband product, formerly known as Neosensory Buzz, now called Neosensory Duo. I made a full detailed review on how this wristband is designed to show the brain that tinnitus is an internal sound, not an external sound, by using bimodal stimulation and vibrating pulses on the skin. Please watch that other video on our channel here to get a full detailed review. Overall, it's still early in the research development, but when I was put in contact with this company, it was very clear that Pure Tinnitus is specializing in the counseling, the therapy, the overall management of the psychology and sleep of a tinnitus patient, and the sound therapy as well. Whereas this company, Neosensory, is focused on bimodal stimulation and how technology can be used to promote neuroplasticity as well. So we talked and we decided to put out a collaboration where Pure Tinnitus is being contracted by them to provide services for their Pro package, meaning that they have the wristband and they also have a Pro option, a premium option for their product, and Pure Tinnitus is helping out with that. So a few thoughts. Number one, the research is relatively early and it's not strong enough to say definitely, absolutely, you must try this. If something reaches that level, I'll be very cautious before I say something like that, but nothing that I've seen so far has reached that level of breakthrough technology. Everyone has to try this if it's in your financial means. This Neosensory product is relatively new. It's backed on years and years of research into bimodal stimulation. It can supplement the tinnitus retraining therapy. It can supplement the foundational concepts of getting better with tinnitus, which involves sound therapy, psychology, and calming the central nervous system, the autonomic nervous system. This wristband device causes no harm, absolutely does not cause any harm, and it's based in a lot of science that I'm confident long-term will have some positive benefits similar to the Linear device out of Ireland. That's something we're monitoring. So I wanted to bring that up, that obviously I have a relationship with this company. So this is a little sensitive because I'm talking about a product that I'm working with a company, the manufacturer of that product. So I just wanted to be completely transparent and share that all with you. Now, I have had many of you who have purchased the device because you're looking for anything that you can do that might help, and this would fit into the realm of this is an evidence-based, this is a scientific approach to treating tinnitus that can provide a marginal benefit. That's the only reason why I would link up with a company. I'm also really excited because many people think that technology is going to be the main change in improving their tinnitus. From what I've found, technology is a big part of it, but also the one-on-one counseling and the holistic management of the human being, the individual, the person over a matter of months is really key. So what we're providing in this new business collaboration is that Pure Tinnitus is providing counseling at the beginning of the 2-month Neosensory program and at the end. So I'm hoping this provides extra value and actually helps people manage their condition. They're giving our audience here at Pure Tinnitus a special discount on their Neosensory product. You can check the description below of this video to find that out, as well as a card which we'll put up here. You can check that out as well. The most up-to-date discount codes for the Neosensory Duo and the Premium Pro version of working with Pure Tinnitus, they will be sent out to the Pure Tinnitus email list starting right after this video, the next week after this video is released. So make sure you're on our Pure Tinnitus email list. Head over to puretinnitus.com. You can sign up for the email list and you'll be sure that you'll be included. I hope that you consider this device, but also you don't need this wristband device to get better. Third update real quick here is that the Tinnitus Meditation Challenge went live and it had a lot of participants. Now all those meditations are released completely free on YouTube. And as someone who meditates 5 days a week, 5 mornings a week, I am so happy to know that all these meditations are available for free and that no matter what socioeconomic background, no matter what financial means someone has, as long as they have internet, they can access these meditations, which are mindfulness meditations designed to help with anxiety and stress. That makes me very happy. So please use them. Overall, that's been getting a really positive result. We polled our community here. About 75% of people enjoyed the meditations. 25% of people did not connect with them, and that's fine. I'm happy to know that this works for some and not others. Finally, our website, puretinnitus.com, has new articles that have been edited and released to provide helpful tips for you, for someone who has tinnitus and who's looking for some help. So please check them out, get some value, give us a thumbs up. I'm so happy to be in this role, to help you, to be the channel here, to be the guide for your tinnitus journey, and to be the representative of Pure Tinnitus. Quick reminder, our schedule: the first Sunday of every month, we have this video newsletter. The second Sunday of every month, we have our podcast episode. Check those out if you haven't. And finally, we have new videos coming out every Tuesday. No matter what other platform you're on, you can find us, whether that's LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, here on YouTube, on Facebook group. You can find us. We're here to help. And again, grateful and thankful that you're trusting Pure Tinnitus as part of your process, as part of your transition into a life with more controlled, more eased tinnitus. Thank you guys. This is Dr. Ben signing out.